In my video today, I will provide you with instructions on how to remove the online scam coming from the website Performdevelopedgreatlythefile.vip. In case you see these pop-ups in your Google Chrome or other browsers, you should be careful not to interact with them. These pop-ups display pretty misleading and faulty alerts that try to encourage people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Performdevelopedgreatlythefile.vip claims to be related to certain decent security program, but it is not related to that program. In fact, there is some adware type application that could be enabled in your system, causing these pop-ups on your computer screen. So please don't trust these deceitful messages and do not click on any buttons that are integrated. If you click on these buttons, you may soon be redirected to some other junk pages in the internet. Because of that, your computer may be infected with such potentially unwanted software. First thing we recommend you to do is to carefully check the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. Finally, I would recommend researching and investigating your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. And the best place to get it is on the website, the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system to identify and delete other threats that could possibly still remain. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.